know you're gonna feel some drop, but it's nothing serious. It's just to unlock the gondola. Once you start going up, feel free to walk around, but be careful with your head on the television. Do not touch anything on my side, even on the telephone side, and do not stay in front of the door, okay? Thank you.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh my god! You can see the sea, nothing. You cannot see anything.
Why would you want to see anything? Hey, is your flash on?
I don't know flash on.
It's not on.
Okay, turn on
Click it like. Oh, it's not even on. You're still going up. Why the shape like that?
It might rain tonight. That's why they might not, they don't show up.
Oh, you're so like it so high, too high.
Not yet.
See, there's no snow.
It's so at least you can see there's no water. It's just so dark. It's just dark. That's like
120 meters above the sea level.
like we're in some Normandy. So what do you need?
All that.
After this, we're gonna go to the river and change. I should do it.
And feel
So after this, we're gonna go to the. We're gonna check out the airport before I go to the library, but we're gonna go straight to the Is there still kids?
like some
I
space in
think
the
I can see a freight ship. Is that fair ship? Over there. I can see it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, it's moving, maybe.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Hi. Can you take a photo, please? Can you take a photo, please? Can you take a photo, please?
I'll be the one to take this.
Hi, please.
Ang tuyok siya. Is it revolving?
Just slightly moving on this side and then going down.
Ah, grabe.
I'll take the last one.
Akyat yun dito.
1, 2, 3. Leave some space in the middle so you can see the shape. Move it. 1, 2, 3.
To take a photo of my English is very bad, I'm sorry. My English is very bad. I'm so
Check it.